So in this Pages tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add large bullet points on the Pages iPhone application. So once Pages is opened up on your phone, go ahead and start typing. So I'll just go large, or I'll just go type in bullet point as an example. And then I will type in right below it large bullet points so we can see the difference here. So as you can tell, there's no bullet points. Now to add that, if I were to press bullet right here, it opens up this page. Second from the right, there's those three different bullet points. And if I were to go ahead and show you guys a regular bullet, there it is. If you want large bullet points, same idea where it says big or bullet point big right here. It actually makes the bullet points larger. And if you were to go ahead, type in a bunch of stuff, so whatever, Y, I, P, etc., the bullet points are larger compared to the first one. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to add large bullet points on the Pages iPhone application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.